Cain did not marry a Neanderthal, though I love the idea that his punishment included marrying someone stronger who could stand up to him. Our genetic inheritance is much richer and more complex than we'd expect if we had all descended from one incestuous family a few thousand years ago. For example, some of our immune system came from Neanderthal DNA. As we'll see, it is possible that we all descended from Adam and Eve and still gained a rich gene pool from others. There's lots in the written chapter about genetics, but let's concentrate on what the Bible says, and, interestingly, doesn't say. Cain could have married his sister, though the Bible doesn't say this happened. It's also difficult to imagine her wanting to marry a brother, especially the nasty brother who murdered the nice one. God put a spirit into Adam, which according to the Bible enables our awareness of God and makes humans different from animals. God made Adam from the dust, like he makes us all from dust, then picked him from a group of humanoids that looked exactly like him. They remained animals, while God made Adam into a human being in his own image, i.e. with a spirit that was passed to all his descendants. God put Adam into Eden while the other humanoids continued to live outside the protective wall. Of course, this is all pure speculation, because the Bible doesn't tell us whom Cain married. We can't be sure that he married someone outside Eden. But neither does the Bible rule this out. It's simply silent about it. We are equally unsure that Cain married a sister, because the Bible is silent about that too. All the text tells us is that he went to the land called Nod, where he had a wife, and he founded a city. Actually, if Cain did marry someone outside Eden, this helps to explain quite a few interesting details in the Bible text. For example, his fear that whoever finds me will want to kill me. God took him seriously and said that anyone who killed Cain will suffer vengeance 7 times over. And he put a mark on Cain so that no one who found him would kill him. At the time, Adam had no son other than Cain, so even if he was afraid that a future son of Adam would come after him for revenge, Cain would have had a 20-year head start to get away. However, his fear that he would meet someone out there makes perfect sense if others lived outside Eden. This interpretation also explains who lived in the city or the town that Cain built in the land of Nod. The suggestion that many humanoids lived at a time of Adam might seem shocking at first, but it's important to realize that this is not contrary to the text of Genesis. It's only contrary to our traditional interpretation of it. In fact, it makes better sense of some aspects of the Bible text, especially with regard to Cain. Breeding with this other type of human sounds wrong at first, though perhaps not as wrong as marrying a sister. And breeding with these outsiders conferred the advantage of a wider gene pool, something that's now important to us. If Cain and his descendants married humanoids outside Eden, their children would gain a double advantage of being spiritual through Cain and Adam's side of the family, and of having a superb immune system from the side whose ancestors had bred with Neanderthals. So it isn't surprising that none of these humanoids without a spirit survived. Every tribe we've ever discovered is religious. we can all seek God, and we can all find him. God bless.